Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Market Forecast, the show where we break down all the latest market action and trends in the digital asset space. I'm your host, Jellyfishy, and today we're diving into the crypto market's latest weather forecast. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking sunny skies, a bit of drizzle, and even a tropical storm for your digital assets. So, let's jump in. Now, over the next 24 hours, we're seeing mostly positive, or as we like to say here, mostly sunny trading conditions across the board for a number of popular coins. Ether, XRP, Cardano, and Polkadot all look like they're basking in strong sunlight, meaning they're showing solid bullish momentum. This suggests strong buying interest in these assets. So if you're holding or watching any of these coins, it could be an interesting time. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. It recently hit a new all-time high at an incredible $90,314. But in the last few hours, it's facing what I describe as some rainy conditions. Bitcoin's price has dipped to around $87,058, which is a 1% change from that peak. Now, that might not sound like much, but for Bitcoin, this could signal the start of a short-term correction. Essentially, we're seeing some profit-taking happening here, which makes sense given the high it just reached. And then we have Uniswap, which is experiencing, well, what I'd call tropical conditions. All signs point to Uniswap potentially taking a sharper dip over the next day. So, if you're trading or considering investing in Uni, this might be something to keep an eye on. All right, let's zoom out a bit and take a look at the next 3 days. For the majority of the coins we're tracking, it looks like some light drizzle or rain might be on the horizon. This suggests a mild bearish trend, where prices may face a bit more pressure. But here's the interesting part. Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Polkadot might actually continue to see a touch of bullishness during this period. If you're holding any of these, you might be in for some relative strength in an otherwise dreary market. But let's face it, crypto folks, it's the 7-day forecast that really has everyone on edge. And right now, it's looking like we're in for a bit of a storm, with bearish signals predicted across the board. This could indicate that we're about to enter a period where sellers dominate and prices take a step back. For those of you in it for the long haul, remember that a little bit of rain can sometimes be a great time to accumulate. But if you're a short-term trader, this might be a period where caution is key. All right, so what does this all mean for us as investors? Well, here's my take. We're seeing some volatility, especially with Bitcoin, which could very well enter a consolidation phase before making its next move. Meanwhile, the strength in Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP could provide opportunities if you're looking to get in or add to your positions. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research before making any moves. But if we're reading the forecast right, we could see some attractive entry points emerge, especially if the broader market pulls back. So, in short, the next 24 hours might have some sunny patches. The 3-day outlook is partly cloudy, and the 7-day forecast. Well, grab your umbrella, folks. We might just be in for a bit of a storm. That's all for today's episode of Crypto Market Forecast. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Stay safe out there. Keep an eye on those charts, and I'll catch you next time for another forecast. Happy trading!